Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Good evening. I'm recording this video at 9:30. You can see on the screen, left side of your screen. So today we have a, a stock called Welspun India. It is a textile based company and it is at its maximum. The level at which it is on all time high. So the price of it at the moment is 133%, and the recent quarterly results are pretty good, and a lot of promoters have increased their share holding in textile industry, be it Grasim Industries. You can see one of the biggest investments of Aditya Birla Group is also involved in textile industries, and it has given us a very good return. Let me show you its share price. So I'm talking about the stocks which are in the similar group, industry group. So as you can see, the stock has given us about 50% return in 6 months. So is Wellspun India, which is giving you, let me show you the returns it is giving. In 6 months the stock was able to offer you about 99, which is 100%. That means it has doubled your money that you have invested. Talking about the results, you can see the revenue has increased by 40% on year basis. We cannot compare of this quarter to the previous year because the quarter pertaining to 2020 uh, was affected by COVID. So we'll be comparing it to the quarter that ended on December. So the revenue increment was about 21 percentage, whereas the net income increased by 146.99 percentage. And also in September we cannot compare due to effect of lockdown. So will be for the June quarter. Moving on to the balance sheet of the stock, let me go into the money control site. So I'm heading to money control site. So as you can see, the sector is in textile weaving. So it has given us 6.07 percentage today. Today Nifty fell down, but the stock has been able to move up. So you can see the power of bullishness in the stock. So we are going towards some technical analysis that is given in the site. It has already given us the 52-week high. The 52-week high is 134, whereas the stock closed at 133. Technically it is very bullish. A strong performer, stock with consistent financial performance, quality management. And let's move into the balance sheet. So guys, we are looking into the announcement section from Economics Time related to the stock. Here we go, the business update that was on 14th May 2021. So they have announced that they have had a contract with Target Corporation, which is a retailer with over 1900 stores in USA. Until FY16 they had their partnership, and Wellspun contributed about 10% of the overall business. So they are again bringing back their customer, which is a very good news. And the amount of contract was also there, but it's not here at the moment. So it's a good news. So we can see good news are pouring into the stock, and we'll be moving into the technical part. We'll be moving into the chart analysis of the stock. So you will be seeing Zerodha screen. So we are here on Zerodha's screen. uh, the chart is of Wellspun India. The upper asymmetrical triangle can be seen. So you can see the volatility contracting of the stock here. The share price increased from 77 to 103 rupees from 28th of October, 28th of April to 18th of May, and then the price has decreased, and then it was on a consolidation, and it was able to give breakout from the asymmetrical triangle. So the breakout was pretty good and pretty powerful. Also talking about the volume with which it was able to break out this level, the level of 102. I will show you the volume as well. Okay, let me keep it in the volume chart is there. Here we go. So the stock was able to give the breakout, but the volume was not enough, so the volume dried up, so the stock price too fell down. And after the chart crossed the triangular pattern, you can see the increment in volume. That was about 8.44. The candle that gave the breakout had a volume of 8.44 million, so which was more than the volume of previous 10 days or previous month as well. And after that candle, the volume decreased, but again then the volume momentum picked up on 14th of June. So technically the stock is in a bullish run. So that is my analysis, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do comment, and it is the stock that you should buy. There will be down in the market, as you can see. Dow Jones has decreased to 2%. I don't know the current status of it, but when I watched it back on the day, it decreased to 2%. So you can buy on the dips, and the target, many brokerage firm gave the target of 150. So we too are not taking risk, we are giving you the target of 150. Thank you guys, keep loving, keep sharing.